Preview.
Hello friends. So
You are?
I got this.
Where? Who are you?
I'm Parikshet
From Kids Fun Learn Club.
and I've got this new white kudzatunga t-shirts
And a?
and a cap
And we also got a coffee mug
and
a mouse pad. We will be going to give these things to you. If you
If you like and subscribe my channel
and share
and tag your drawings with us
on Instagram and hashtag
club and
Kids Fun Learn Club. So we'll be drawing a scorpion today.
Yes.
It is going to be a little difficult, but we will be doing a very easy step-by-step drawing of scorpion. We'll be needing a
black sketch pen and papers and some colors.
Let's start drawing. Okay, so what do we start with? Let's just follow me, okay?
Okay.
A small curve line and then a straight line.
It's going to be a little difficult one, that's why I'm following Papa.
Yes. Okay, it's easy till here. Good.
I think mine will sharp a little bit.
Now the next is,
What is this?
it is a part of the leg. Okay. Now we are gonna make his first leg. This one is done. Next is one and then two. Very easy till now.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now okay.
Am I doing good, Papa?
Yeah. Now
I have to leave a little bit of space. Alright.
you have to bring it here. Yeah. And you can make a little bit more. Okay?
I should make an extra legs.
Yes. Next is, what are we gonna do from here? Bring this.
Papa, wait.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Very good. Very good. Yes. Now we'll make the back part of the body. That is gonna be this one. It's a tail. This goes like this.
It's kind of a rocky tail. His tail kind of look like a paintbrush. Right?
Yes, it does. Okay, is it okay till here?
And we can take big stones.
Very good. Now, our next step is gonna be, we make this one here. Connect it like this. Okay?
Wait.
It's okay. Just.
What kind of digital?
This is one leg. So this is the one leg, this is the second leg, okay? Now, let's finish this part of the leg.
Oh, wait.
Okay. I'm waiting for you.
For you.
Are you with us?
If
Do make sure that you're doing it very slowly.
Yeah.
If you need to, you can pause the drawing to follow us.
Or you can slow the drawing and slow.
Yeah. So if you're done till till here. Now the next step is gonna be another piece of leg.
Wait, let me see.
Okay, I'm waiting for you.
Okay.
Okay. This is gonna be. Yes.
This is the first leg. No.
Yeah. Perfect.
It is.
Yeah. Now this is this.
Wait, this, sure.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Now we are gonna do the back legs, the legs of the other side.
Yeah. It's gonna be an easy one.
Yeah, it's gonna be easy.
We have to draw something.
Okay. Okay. And this is gonna be easy. This is gonna be easy. Okay. All good till here?
Wait.
Let's make his two eyes. And okay, now we are going to make the another pair of we are done. We will be quickly coloring it up using some yellow color and orange color. Was a little difficult one, but if you do it slowly, you can follow it well. And parents, do not forget to share your kids' drawings with us on Instagram. And as we said in the beginning of the video, you can win some exciting video goodies like this t-shirt, this cap, this coffee mug,
And then mouse pads.
yes. I hope you guys are enjoying our drawings with Parikshet, having fun with us. And we'll see you in the
Next one.
next drawing. Until then,
Have a good day.
bye bye.